Consider the expression a minus 1 into b plus c by 3 plus d. Let x be the minimum number of registers required by an optimal code generation algorithm for a load or store architecture in which 1. Only load and store instructions can have memory operands, and 2. Arithmetic instructions can have only register or immediate operands. The value of x is. So in the question we have been given this particular expression. Now we need to find out the minimum number of registers needed when we convert it to intermediate code. So it's a question for intermediate code generation section. We need to convert this particular long expression into intermediate code address, 3 address codes, and then we need to find out the minimum number of registers needed here. First of all, we need to load A, B, C and D, and then we need to perform the operation. So actually the answer to this is 2. I will show you how we can do that. 1. Let us do this. Load R1 B, we are loading B. Load R2 C, we are loading C2 registers R2, we are loading B to register R1. So already 2 registers have been used up. Then I am performing add R1 comma R2. This means R2 and R1 will be added and the result will be stored in R1. Now this R1 will have B plus C stored in it. Now divide R1 with 3. Now it is saying that we can have immediate operands as well in arithmetic instructions. So we are performing divide R1 3 means whatever is in R1 will be divided by 3 and the result will be stored in R1 only. So now R1 becomes B plus C by 3. Now we are doing load R2 D. So D is loaded into R2. Add R1 R2 meaning R1 plus R2 is put into R1. Now R1 will have B plus C by 3 plus D stored in it. Now we load R2 to A. We load A to R2. After that we are doing subtract R2 1. So R2 becomes A minus 1. After that we are doing multiply R2 R1. So R1 and R2 will be multiplied and the result will be stored to R2. So R2 had A minus 1. R1 had B plus C by 3 plus D. So the total stored in R2 would be A minus 1 into B plus C by 3 plus D. This is the same expression given in the question. As you can see, I have only used 2 registers here. This is the minimum also. The answer to this question is 2.